Deep in the heart of South America lies a realm unlike any other, a vast, mysterious green ocean that stretches far beyond the horizon. This is the Amazon rainforest, the largest tropical rainforest on Earth, a living, breathing entity often referred to as the lungs of our planet. It is a place of immeasurable beauty, teeming with life, where each tree, plant, and raindrop plays an irreplaceable role. It is a world that, despite the wonders it holds, remains largely unexplored and, at times, unfathomable. The Amazon River runs like a pulsing vein through this vibrant ecosystem, a mighty lifeline winding over 4,000 miles through 9 nations. Its waters are laden with sediment and nutrients that sustain not only the flora of the forest, but also countless human communities that have called this place home for millennia. From dense mangroves to sandy riverbanks, the Amazon River is the heart that keeps the rainforest alive. The dense canopy above filters the early morning sunlight, allowing only a dim green glow to reach the ground. Here, on the forest floor, life unfolds in miniature, a bustling metropolis of activity that sustains the entire ecosystem. Amongst the fallen leaves and moss-covered logs, there is an intricate balance of growth and decay. Fungi and microorganisms break down dead plant matter, returning vital nutrients to the soil. This cycle of decomposition and regeneration is crucial, allowing the rainforest to flourish year after year. This age-old relationship highlights the intricacy of life in the Amazon, a delicate balance perfected over millions of years. Up in the mid-canopy, sunlight filters through layers of leaves, creating dappled patterns that dance across the branches. This mid-level layer is the bustling hub of the rainforest, where an abundance of plant life competes for light and space. Lianas, or woody vines, twist and wind their way up towards the sunlight, using the towering trees as support. Bromeliads, with their bright, waxy leaves, cling to branches, creating small ecosystems of their own. These plants collect rainwater in their leaves, providing a habitat for countless smaller organisms. The mid-canopy is a testament to the ingenuity of life, where every available space is used to its fullest potential. Above the mid-canopy, the high canopy forms a dense roof of interlocking branches and leaves. This layer receives the most sunlight, and it is here that the tallest trees rise, some reaching heights of over 200 feet. The high canopy is dominated by towering giants like the kapok and Brazil nut trees. These trees are the pillars of the rainforest, supporting not only their own massive structures, but also countless other forms of life. Epiphytes, plants that grow on other plants, adorn their branches, adding bursts of color to the sea of green. The high canopy is a world unto itself, a vibrant and dynamic ecosystem that plays a crucial role in the health of the entire rainforest. Near the riverbanks, the water moves sluggishly, reflecting the deep green of the surrounding forest. The Amazon River is not just a body of water, it is the lifeblood of the entire ecosystem. The river's nutrient-rich waters nourish the trees and plants along its banks, allowing them to grow tall and strong. During the rainy season, the river swells, flooding the surrounding forest and depositing nutrient-laden silt. This seasonal flooding is vital, replenishing the soil and supporting the incredible biodiversity of the Amazon. The river is a constant, unyielding force, shaping the landscape and sustaining life. In the deepest parts of the jungle, towering trees rise towards the sky, their branches forming a dense canopy that blocks much of the sunlight. The air is thick with moisture, and the scent of earth and vegetation fills the senses. Here, the trees are covered in mosses, lichens, and epiphytes, creating a layered, textured landscape. The forest is alive with the sound of rustling leaves and the distant calls of birds. In this untouched wilderness, the Amazon reveals its true nature, a complex, interdependent web of life that thrives in perfect harmony. At the base of a waterfall, mist rises into the air, creating a cool, refreshing atmosphere. Ferns and orchids grow in abundance, their leaves glistening with moisture. The sound of the water crashing against the rocks is both powerful and soothing, a reminder of the raw, untamed beauty of the Amazon. The plants that thrive here are adapted to the constantly changing environment, their roots anchored firmly in the rocky soil. This is a place of resilience, where life finds a way to flourish despite the challenges posed by the elements. As the sun sets, painting the river in shades of gold and pink, the Amazon takes on a serene, almost otherworldly quality. The river flows steadily, its surface reflecting the vibrant colors of the sky above. The banks of the river are lined with dense vegetation, where trees and plants compete for space, their roots reaching deep into the soil. The Amazon River is more than just a physical feature. It is a symbol of the rainforest's vitality, a reminder of the interconnectedness of all life within this vast ecosystem. As night begins to fall, the camera takes us to an indigenous village nestled along the riverbank. Huts made of palm leaves and natural materials blend seamlessly with the environment, and a small fire burns at the center of the clearing, surrounded by the elders of the tribe. The people of the Amazon have called this forest home for centuries. They possess a knowledge of the land that is unparalleled, passed down through countless generations. To them, the forest is not just a home, it is a living entity, one that must be respected and protected. The Amazon is a living pharmacy, offering remedies for countless ailments, many of which modern medicine has only begun to explore. This traditional knowledge is invaluable, offering insights into the incredible power of the forest to heal. Night has fallen, and the rainforest comes alive with sounds, crickets chirping, frogs croaking, and the rustle of unseen creatures. The air is thick with humidity, and the darkness is broken only by the occasional flicker of bioluminescent fungi or the glow of fireflies. The forest at night is a different world, one where the familiar gives way to the unknown. It is a time of transformation, where the rainforest's secrets are hidden in the shadows, waiting to be discovered. The scene shifts to a stark contrast, an area of deforested land, barren and scarred. Smoke rises in the distance as the camera pans across the devastation. For all its resilience, the Amazon faces a threat unlike any other: the relentless advance of human activity. Logging, agriculture, and mining strip away the forest's life-giving trees, leaving behind scars that take centuries to heal. Every year, thousands of square miles of the Amazon are lost, and with them, countless species are pushed to the brink of extinction. The Amazon is often called the lungs of the earth, producing 20% of the world's oxygen. But as deforestation continues, its ability to regulate the Earth's climate weakens. The fate of the Amazon is not just a regional issue. It affects every living being on this planet. On the river, a small canoe moves gracefully through the water, paddled by members of an indigenous community. They look ahead, their expressions a mix of determination and hope. Yet there is still hope. Across the Amazon, local communities, conservationists, and scientists are working tirelessly to protect this incredible place. Their fight is not just for the survival of the rainforest, but for a future in which humans and nature coexist in harmony. In an area once cleared, new growth has begun to take hold. Saplings push through the soil, reaching towards the sunlight above. The forest, if given the chance, has the power to heal itself. It is resilient, relentless in its drive to grow. Though wounded, the Amazon still holds within it the potential for renewal. Each new leaf is a symbol of hope, a reminder of the beauty that can still be saved. The camera rises once more, giving us an aerial view of the Amazon as the sun sets. The vast expanse of green is bathed in golden light, the river glistening as it winds through the forest. The Amazon is more than just a rainforest. It is a symbol of life's resilience, beauty, and interconnectedness. Its rivers, trees, and plants remind us of the wonders of nature and our place within it. Protecting this irreplaceable treasure is not just the work of governments or activists, it is the responsibility of us all. If we listen to the whispers of the forest, if we heed the lessons it offers, we might just find a way to ensure that the Amazon continues to thrive, not just for the people and plants that call it home, but for every living being on our planet. The Amazon is our shared heritage. Protect it, preserve it, let it thrive. Join the movement for a sustainable future.